Bright Futures Information System, how to view your quality credentialing account. Every childcare, preschool, or after-school provider and staff in the state of Vermont has their own BFIS quality credentialing account. Some of your account information is sent automatically to Northern Lights, like when you participate in professional development offered by an approved sponsor. Program directors or individual educators may submit other information. That is why it's essential to make sure your information is accurate, complete, and up to date. Make it a habit to check your quality credentialing account anytime you plan to send a document to Northern Lights. Sometimes you find most or all of your documents are already recorded. So how do you check your BFIS quality credentialing account? First, go to brightfutures.dcf.state.vt.us. Look to the box on the left where it says Bright Futures Account and click Login. Find Quality Credentialing Account and click Login again. Enter your username and password and click Submit. Now you can see what information is stored in your BFIS Quality Credentialing account. To start, click the Resume tab at the top of the page. You will then see 6 subtabs labeled Summary, Work Experience, Education, Credentials, Program Participation, Professional Development. At the bottom of the page, you will see 2 links: Record Professional Development Plan, which is where you can update your individual Professional Development Plan, or IPDP. There's also Documents, which is where you will see the credential documents Northern Lights has received and uploaded on your behalf. These may include transcripts, CPR certifications, and other documents. You do not need to resend documents that are recorded here. Another good place to check is the Education tab. If Northern Lights has received your degree information, you will see it verified here. Look under the header that says Verified. If it is listed here and it is verified, you do not need to resend. Now click the Credentials tab. Here, you will see all credentials Northern Lights has received to verify on your behalf. This section includes items such as your level certificates. You can also use this tab to verify when certificates are set to expire, if they expire. Now click the Professional Development tab. Here you will see all your verified professional development courses and hours. They are automatically sorted in alphabetical order by training title. Let's change it to sort by date. In the upper right, there is a box that says Sort By. Choose Date Completed, and then press Go. The system shows the oldest date first, so if you have more than one page of professional development, you will have to keep clicking Next to get to the last page. That is where you can view your most recent professional development records. Any professional development you take with a Northern Lights approved sponsor is automatically added to your account. If you take a training with someone who is not an approved sponsor, you do need to send the training certificate to Northern Lights yourself. Those trainings are recorded in the lower section, and you can sort them by date the same way. Now that you have checked your records in your quality credentialing account, you know what Northern Lights has on record for you. If you send Northern Lights documents to be verified and added to your account, you can expect to see them in BFIS 4 to 6 weeks after sending them in. It takes time for valid documents to be entered into your account. Remember, always check your account before you send documents to Northern Lights. Do not send Northern Lights documents that you've already sent or that are in your account. If you cannot access your account, visit the BFIS Help Desk website at bfishelp.ahs.state.vt.us or email them at bfis.help@vermont.gov. If you have any questions, you can always contact your Northern Lights Resource Advisor. They are there to help.